folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today, the ongoing adventures of making my ridiculously ambitious 12-sided musical instrument, the Dodecahedrum.
Barb Makes Things!
Short recap for those who are new. This instrument will have a dodecahedron frame, like this but bigger, and a bunch of percussion elements on each side. I decided that at least some of the drums should be not round, because why not? These sides are pentagons. So many drums are round. I want to see what happens when you do it different. This is the part that I'm working on today. As you may recall, I'd made a drum hoop previously on the laser cutter with acrylic, and it didn't go particularly well. Like, it works, and it holds the drum head in place, but I wouldn't trust it with any serious intonation. So I took one of the smaller pentagon shells that I put together a couple weeks back and used the CNC mill to make new hoops from some decent quality half-inch plywood. The design for this is essentially the same as for the ones I laser cut previously, but milling it from a thicker piece of wood means that I can just carve in the lip that aligns the bottom piece. I took it to the scroll saw to cut off the tabs, as usual. One of the awesome things about this awesome tool is that unlike a bandsaw, you can make nice clean interior cuts by removing the blade and reattaching it through a hole in your work. Scroll saw. So underrated. We have a big roll of clear mylar at Crash Space that I'm trying out for drum heads. So I cut a piece a little large so I could attach it to both sides of the hoop. Punched some holes with the awl, and then began stitching with strong waxed thread. Once that side was done, I pulled the mylar around to the other side and ran the stitch around again. Next, I started threading together the top and bottom pieces with the drum shell in the middle. While it doesn't give a super pure tone, it's definitely not boring. The overtones on this are wild. I think I can get it a little more harmonious with more tuning. But tuning with these strings is pretty difficult, so I'd like to find a new way to tune my next drum. Perhaps with bolts, so I can just twist like you do with a lot of regular drum hardware. If you like this video, share it with a friend. If you didn't, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Boom, boom.
Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.